So, namaste, good evening, and welcome to the 7th live episode of season 1 of Turiya Talks. We will decode the various aspects of mental health. We have had a few wonderful similar sessions prior to this one. More than hundreds of questions, thousands of engagements, plenty of emails. Discussions have taken place in regard to our episodes earlier which took place. So, sir, mental health experts all over the world, they are expecting that this pandemic will result mass unemployment, starvation, increase in gender-biased violence and alcoholism. What is your take?
It has already done that. The lockdown, when people are locked down with people, domestic violence goes up. When they opened the liquor, alcohol stores again, that was a very big deal because, yes, okay, we made taxation, we stimulated an economy, but we did it at the cost of people. And usually we're doing it at the cost of poor people. So what happens is a moratorium goes for 3 months, then 6 months. So they don't have to pay back right away. They, meaning even me, if I have a loan.
Right.
None of us have to pay back right away. So then we have that money in our hand if you're working, and then you spend it on alcohol instead of your child's education or being a good father. You start spending it on lottery tickets and alcohol. And is that a proper way to sustain? No. But everybody has the dream of, let's get money fast. There's no hard work involved. And they're hopeless, actually. Some of the people are just hopeless. So they go to drinking. And we need to help that. We need to give them asha. We need to give them hope. If we don't give them hope, then we've actually failed as a society, irrespective of our status. So I really believe that there is an increase in all these things based on the lockdown. Some things had decreased some of it, and some people went into withdrawal. They were calling me on the phone. People had no idea that they were even alcoholics. They're saying, sir, can you give me medicine? Or Dr. Babu, can you give me medicine? Because I'm withdrawing from alcohol. Like I might have a seizure and die. And I had no clue they were even alcoholic, that they woke up every day and drank alcohol. So it was a big deal. And the lockdown still is a big deal because of the people are still scared. And I just want you to know that we're all here to help all the mental health professionals. The person that was talking before was Dr. Ranjan Ghosh, the businessman. The person talking now is that all mental health professionals are important. Everybody can help everybody. And we need to all form as a bond at some level to make sure that we're all helping and in a standardized way. Definitely.
Sir, see, you have been a public figure. You have been talking to people via news channels. You have been writing blogs. But I actually want you to inspire people for next 35 minutes. Trust me, so that people, those who are sleeping, they will just get up. And they will get up on Saturday evening and they say that I have to do something. I will not wait for Monday.
Right.
For people, those who work, I think, Rahul Mukherjee is saying that, sir, you are already one of the best doctors in Calcutta. Thank you, Rahul. This is the reason we have, sir. Souvik Ghosh, you are more than a doctor. You are a friend. Thank you.
Oh,
yes.
Really sweet.
Yes.
These guys are awesome. I love every one of these guys too, so I know them. I know Rahul and Souvik. So
fine.
I think. Yeah, you tell me. You tell me first. What you want me to say?
Reports state that after the stock market crash of 1929, suicide rates in America rose 50%, and these economic suicides rose across USA, Canada, and Europe due to economic hardship after the crisis period. And now we are experiencing pandemic whose vaccine is at least 6 months away from now. So, how coronavirus affects our mental health in this situation and what people should do? Please give 5-7 tips so that we all can practice.
Yeah, definitely. I'll definitely do that. What's happening with the economy? Why do we have an opposite ulta effect of suicide rate being in the younger generation and lessening in the older generation? Is because they already have everything. They have their own shelter. They have their own security. But the younger generation, what I have seen, they want to make something of their own. They want to, they see this Western culture. They see me. I work with a lot of young adults in every aspect of things. We have a rap cipher that's going to happen actually tomorrow, Bangla rap cipher, where people are expressing themselves through music, as well as I work with so many people in so many different ways of expression. But they tell me the same thing. They don't have hope to get advanced to the level of getting an Apple Watch, getting a car, getting a house. So my thing there is that, yes, it's not going to be a quick fix. So don't just go there and stop doing anything and just only play PUBG. Play PUBG. Nobody's saying not to, but balance your life out. Balance your life out. Even me, I want to work all day some days because I know I'll have patience that day. But I say, no, I need to balance my life out. What does balance look like for innovation? Balance is this. First, you must be active. If you're not active for at least 30 minutes of sweat dripping exercise, 2 times your heart rate, first of all, it's not good for your heart. I'm saying a little bit less. It should be 45 to 1 hour. But I say beginners, 30 minutes. That's all I ask. Do whatever it takes. Don't take the lift. It's always full of germs nowadays anyway. Everybody's scared. Walk up the stairs. Go to your roof and walk around, even in minor ways. Do cardio, do any type of core exercises. Yoga, stretching for the older people, Pilates, Zumba for the younger, dance, whatever it takes to get your endorphins increased. Even singing, rapping, dancing, or performing like this, if you're really performing, this is just normal for me now, but if you're really performing, your endorphins go up and your cortisol goes down. And if you take nothing else from this lecture, know that cortisol equals tension. Tension in India means stress, which is a good term because it squeezes you. So be active.
Sir,
exactly.
What are the common mental health problems?
Okay,
so Banglateও বলতে পারেন because I think we will be able to reach more people.
হ্যাঁ, বাংলাতে বলি। So আমাদের number 1 problem হচ্ছে দুশ্চিন্তা or চিন্তা। So দুশ্চিন্তা, ঘুমের অভাব আর restlessness। ওই 3টে জিনিস যদি ভাবো, ওই 3টে জিনিস আমার number 1 complaint যখন লোক আসে আমার কাছে। Okay.
দুশ্চিন্তা is what, negative thoughts?
Yes. সবথেকে খারাপ জিনিস আগে ভাবা means catastrophization বলে। সবথেকে খারাপ জিনিস আগে ভাবা। I'll give you an example. If I have a cough today, I think because in Manipal, I smoked maybe 3 or 4 cigarettes when I was trying it in Manipal, that I might have lung cancer because my mom had cancer. Okay, so that's a negative thought that comes in my head. And then all the positive thoughts go away. The thanda gorum jeta nole ami pollution খেয়ে এসেছি, এটা কিন্তু ভুলে গেছি। আমার pulmonologist বন্ধু আছে, ও বলতো যদি আমার lung cancer থাকতো, যদি শোনা যেত। So all these realistic thoughts কিন্তু চলে যাচ্ছে, কিন্তু আমার primary thought হচ্ছে এখন আমার lung cancer হয়ে যাচ্ছে, আমি hospital-এ গিয়ে মরবো ইন্ডিয়াতে। Right? So that's a catastrophization, meaning that সবথেকে খারাপ জিনিস আগে ভাবছে। হাজারো হাজারো মানুষ এই দেশে এটা হয়, এবং হতে 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 কি হয়ে যায়, সারা শরীরটা খারাপ হয়ে যায়। And this is the biggest problem I have with the not medical system, but with people's lok ki bhabbe, lok ki bolbe. People have this thing that I think about what other people think instead of my own illness. I should care about me the most. I should care about my family the most. But I'm thinking about what extended family is thinking, what this person is thinking, what will society think. This is a big, big disease in India. Khub bishal rog eta. Because আমি যদি বলি তোমাদেরকে বিশ্বাস করতে পারবে না, but I don't care. আমি সত্যি কেয়ার করি, আমি জানি তোমরা কেয়ার করো, and I'll work through that. অনেক লোকের কালচারাল সিস্টেম আমার থেকে ডিফারেন্ট। আমি অন্য জায়গাতে আমি মানুষ হলাম, এখানে ছোটবেলায় মানুষ হয়েছি, বাট ওইখানে মানুষ হয়েছি। সো আমি অনেক জিনিস দেখেছি। ওই দিকটাও ঠিক না যে একদম আমি কেয়ার করি না, সেটাও ভালো না। ওই জন্য তো ফেরত আসছি। I came back because I don't think one extreme is better than the other. No, I want a middle ground of reasonable thought process, which is I care a little bit about society, obviously, and moving on ahead. But I don't care enough to when it comes to my loved ones or the people that are important to me. Right. And so that from that, you know, the stomach problems in Bengal, like amader pet আর emotion খুব connection আছে, আর এটা সবথেকে number one complaint আমার অম্বল হচ্ছে আর গ্যাস হচ্ছে, হাইড্রোক্লোরিক অ্যাসিড যখন টেনশন আছে ওটা বেশি বানায়, so cortisol যায়, hydrogen chloride, hydrochloric acid দু পাত আছে, either up or down. So you have IBS type symptoms that nobody can explain. No GI medicines are helping. The problem is you have the palpitation, buk dhop dhop kora, shash koshto, matha garom hoye jawa, ogyan hoye jawa. All these things chinjin kora. People think that they need to see cardiologists, GI, gastroenterologists, then neurologists. কিন্তু কোনোদিন সাইকিয়াট্রিস্ট আসবে না। 10 লক্ষ টাকার এক্সামিনেশন পরীক্ষা করার পরে যখন সব কিছু নেগেটিভ, তখন আমাকে এইগুলো আনবে, ইরোসিভ গ্যাস্ট্রাইটিস, আর এটা দেখুন ডাক্তার কেন হচ্ছে। সো আমার কোনো তর্ক নেই যে তোমার হচ্ছে সিমটমস গুলো, that's not an issue, but কেন হচ্ছে, why is it happening? It's happening because of your inability to even acknowledge that you had an emotional issue or that you have tension. I laugh because look, people come into my office all the time. I'm to kono tension nahi Dr. Babu. Hey, atanko attacks keno hocche amar? Why do I have these panic attacks? I look at them and I say, look, I'm a financially secured guy. I'm happy in my love relationships. I'm happy with my father and family. I'm happy in all these regards. But I have tension every day of my life. If you say you don't have tension, that's complete nonsense. You're not in touch with yourself. Shobar tension hoy, you know, and if you say amar kono tension nei, seta kintu thik bolchen, because there's always some source of tension. Now, how you handle it, ki kore tumi handle korcho is the real key thing. And so anxiety, duschinta, OCD, obsession during this COVID-19 time, ekta phobia hoye geche, myso or a phobia bole, up to viruses and bacteria. আগে অনেক লোকের ছিল হাত ধুতো 1000 বার, ক্ষয়ে যেত হাতটা, তারপরে বারবার একটা জিনিস করা, এটা 8 বার করতে হবে, নলে 8 বার করতে হবে, 2 বার করলে ঠিক হবে না। So these things are happening, repetitive patterns, rituals are worsening. So those are the top 3, and then if you have severe mental illness, those are things are getting worse. I'm getting a lot of calls from my older patients that they never needed me before again. I had stabilized them, but now I feel treatment like.
Sir, we have an interesting question, and of course, it's very pertinent from Nivedita Das, a girl from Calcutta, but settled in Bangalore now for job prospects. So her question is: are therapies delivered via digital technology as effective as those delivered face to face? Because she might not be able to come to Calcutta, so she thought we ask on her behalf.
Sure. But Dako, I don't have my mask, it's in the next room. But if you have to see me in person, Aku, for the next, until immunization to barcode, I'm not taking a risk with my father's life. I'm not taking a risk with my life. I don't know. There's a lot of controversy with my age group, but I think that I'm not taking a chance, number one. So, amar puro mukhosh thakbe, gloves thakbe, shield thakbe, PPE এর মতন থাকবে। Now you got to tell me, তোমার ভাবতে হবে যে এটা কি ঠিক? Means like, do you want to see a psychiatrist, or do I want to see you like that, or rather see your face and see I know what you're thinking because I can see your face. If I can't see your mouth, I don't know what's going on really, because side effect with the body from medicine, I can see that maybe you have anxiety or a nervous twitch. I can't see half of the things that are going on with all that stuff. So yes, it's even better. And now we're thinking with artificial intelligence, me and my group, MyRx, we're making a collaboration on that app, Bolchilam, that even with facial recognition and my ability to teach the robot to know what particular facial recognitions look like for anxiety, for depression, for bipolar. So no, it's better. It's faster, more efficient, no travel time. All these things are there. It's much more convenient. Now, am I saying it for the people that old school people judi lage? But my preference is that everybody go online. Honestly,
right.
For psychiatry at least, because stigma ta ache, lojja ta ache. So to walk into Good Karma, I did a lot to break the stigma. It looks like a yoga place or a cafe. Khub shundor ekta jaga, Anjali Jewelers at pashe. It's beautiful. I spent a ton of money. So with me, it khub dukho hoy. I'm very sad to say that I don't want people to walk in and see that work of art, because literally it is a work of art to me. But what can I do at this point? I spend a lot of money with the interior, but online, I don't have to worry about that. Bechara, the guy won't find the place. They might get COVID on the way coming from Murshidabad. And on a train, the high level of communicability, I don't have to worry about that. You have a smartphone,
Right.
you have a telephone, I can get the prescription right to your phone. So it's much better.
Right. I can see few people joining in. For those who are joining just now, we are discussing about mental health, its various aspects and issues related to it. And we have Dr. Ranjan Ghosh, founder of Good Karma, with us today. We have a question from Avantika. I think we can get it addressed. What behavior patterns and exercises should be followed for a healthy mental state, sir?
Okay. So remember we went over the 5 W's with the Protidin Gottabi. You have to do that every day, single day. 5 W's. One is to be active. Briefly again for the new people. Be active. Keep learning. Okay. Be aware. Keep learning, self-explanatory. Be aware is to do the deep breathing that I will teach you. And if anybody wants to know, they can just look at my videos. Be aware. The connection with others. You have to connect with three
minimum people, you said, every day.
A day, per day. And the last thing is giving. Giving compliments, making others feel good so you can make yourself feel good as well. So those are the 5 things.
Sir,
to be active, what exercises? Mental exercises are good, but physical exercises you must do.